What if chat could save you hours every week at work? Seriously. It's not some futuristic fantasy. It's my current reality and I can't imagine going back. Let me show you how, okay? First things first, you've probably heard of Chat, the AI chatbot that can do pretty much anything. Some people think it's a bit gimmicky, but trust me, it's a game changer. I used to spend hours searching Google for solutions, but now I just chat with ChatGPT and voila. Problem solved. For instance, I recently had to write a complex report in Excel and I was dreading the usual copy-pasting and formatting. But guess what? I typed and summarized this data in Excel with total sales by quarter, including charts and a brief analysis. And boom, Chat generated the whole report in seconds. Total game changer. Now here's the deal. ChatGPT works best when you give it a very specific set of instructions. Think of it as giving it a role, a task, and the desired outcome. For example, if I just say summarize this, it might give me a generic response. But if I add more details like the audience, tone, or length, the result is way better. Over time, I've built up a massive collection of these prompts that I use daily. I have an entire Notion page dedicated to my favorite chat prompts. I call it my chat vault. Here's a quick peek inside. First up, I've got my email prompts. For instance, if I need to quickly get a format for leaves, I can just type and create a leave application format and boom, done. My next category is Excel formula fixers. I can just snap a screenshot of my formula and paste it here. Then ask Chat to simplify it or make it dynamic. Next, we've got content ideas. Need some inspiration for social media posts? Just type and give me 5 Instagram caption ideas for a travel photo of Japer and you've got it. And finally, I've got meeting summarizers. I can just paste the entire transcript of my meeting and ask Chat to summarize it, or even better, generate action items. Honestly, Chat has become my secret weapon at work. I can't imagine my life before it. Now, if you want to level up your productivity game, I suggest you start building your own chat vault. Drop a comment below if you've already started and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching.